Developer TT Games and publisher Warner Bros. Games have quietly added controversial DRM software Denuvo to LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. PC players went bonkers after a Reddit user shared that the LEGO Batman game's Steam page now features a third-party DRM tag earlier. The last-minute addition sees the anti-piracy measure baked into the game just weeks ahead of its launch for PC, PlayStation 5, and Xbox Series XS. Game developers often include Denuvo to fight back against piracy, but the tech has faced backlash from PC players due to its negative effects on games' performance. Now that LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight is confirmed to use it too, some players are saying they won't be buying a PC copy altogether. Adding insult to injury are the recently revealed PC requirements for LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. The title demands 16 GB of RAM and requires frame generation to be turned on just to achieve 30 frames per second. With Denuvo thrown into the mix, the fear is that most hardware will struggle to run at all. Batman doesn't have the best history on PC either, with many LEGO Batman fans worried that they could be facing another disaster similar to the launch of Batman Arkham Knight in 2015. As one user commented, performance was already an issue with this game. This will surely help. LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight has already launched for PC and consoles. If you haven't got the game yet, TT and Warner Bros. Have published a launch trailer for the tongue-in-cheek spin-off featuring Seal's Kiss from a Rose. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.